Asset comes in various types because they serve different purposes. And because we all have different needs, let me give you some reason why we need different types of assets. First of all, we have income generating assets. Some assets offer a source of regular income. So if you are seeking income to cover your living expenses, these income generating assets will be essential for you. Then we have capital appreciating assets. Assets like properties have the potential to grow in value over time. So if you invest in capital appreciating assets just as property, this can lead to financial growth, increasing the value of your money over time. Now we have liquidity needs. Having liquid assets such as cash can come in handy to ensure we meet unexpected expenses. We have financial goals, which could be long-term or it could be short-term. If you are deciding to save for a retirement, having a mixed growth assets will be essential. But if you're thinking about a vacation, having liquid assets with you can come in very handy. So your financial goals can depend on what type of assets you can invest in. Now we have an edge against inflation. Assets such as properties and gold often are considered as an edge against inflation. This is because they have the potential to retain or even increase in value when inflation erodes the purchasing power of your money. Risk mitigation, and we have risk tolerance. By holding mixed assets, you can diversify your risk and reduce the impact to your portfolio. Overall, the combination of various asset types in your portfolio can allow you mitigate risk, grow your income, and grow your wealth.